Cough up. Verb. 1. To expel from the lungs, throat, etc. by coughing. For example, he was coughing up blood. 2. Idiomatic. To pay money, to disburse, usually reluctantly or with difficulty. For example, do you think he'll be able to cough up the $3,000 by Tuesday? 3. Idiomatic. To lose a competition by one's own mistakes, usually near the end of the contest. For example, that team had the game won, but they coughed it up in the end. 4. Transitive. Idiomatic. To spill, to fumble,